The pyramids of Giza have fascinated humanity for centuries. These colossal structures, built thousands of years ago, continue to spark curiosity and wonder. How did the ancient Egyptians achieve such architectural feats? Several theories attempt to explain the construction of the pyramids. One popular theory suggests the use of ramps. These ramps, possibly straight, zigzagging, or circular, allowed workers to transport massive stone blocks to great heights. Another theory highlights the role of skilled labor. The ancient Egyptians were master craftsmen, and their expertise was crucial in shaping and assembling the stones. Ingenious engineering methods, such as counterweights and levers, may have also played a significant role in the construction process. The ancient Egyptians were not only skilled laborers, but also brilliant engineers. They utilized precise measurements and alignments, ensuring the pyramids were perfectly oriented with the cardinal points. Their understanding of geometry and physics was remarkable, allowing them to create structures that have stood the test of time. The Great Pyramid of Giza was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. This incredible achievement is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the ancient Egyptians. So, was it aliens or just human ingenuity? The evidence strongly points to the latter. The pyramids of Giza remain a symbol of human achievement and continue to inspire awe and admiration. Follow for more ancient history insights.